Hello friends and welcome back to another Diwali special nail art design. If you have been way too busy preparing for Diwali and didn't get time to paint your nails, then this easy nail art is just for you. First of all, I am going to apply a pearly white nail polish on my pointer and ring fingers. Then I applied this maroonish red brick colored kind of nail polish color on the remaining of my fingers, that is my middle, little and the thumb. You can apply 1 to 2 layers of this polish and then allow it to dry off. Now let's create this very easy diya nail art. For this, all you need is the same nail polish that you applied on the other fingers, and make a V-shaped structure like this, and then using a gold polish border it so that it takes the shape of a diya. Over here I am using a glitter polish, and then I am going to use yellow colored nail polish to make the flames of the diya. So first I use the yellow polish, and then I am going to add a little bit of orange colored polish also, so that it looks like as if the diya is having an orangish flame. And I created the same design on my ring finger also. Finally finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and this very easy diya nail art design is done. Now for the next design, I used this mandala nail art. It looked like a rangoli pattern to me. So over here, once the base polish dries up, using polishes of different colors, I created this very simple circular mandala nail art, and this reminds me of the rangoli patterns that we created during Diwali. So this is again inspired by the rangoli pattern of Diwali, and this is a very simple mandala nail art, just using different colored polishes and different sizes of dots. I created circles. Allow the nail polish to dry off completely, and once the nail polish dries off, the final step as usual is applying a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design and to smooth out the final design. And this is how you can create this very easy design. For the rest of my fingers, that is my pinky and my thumb, I just applied 2 layers of gold polish. One was a lighter gold polish, and below that I used a deeper gold polish, and this is also done. It's a really easy Deepavali nail art design, and wishing all of you a very happy Deepavali. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.